Well, I tried to play in the snow. Here's the footprint evidence of it in front of my porch. I was going to come over here and build a snowman, but it's powder. Look how high it is. Look at that drift in front of my porch. How cool is that? It's still snowing like crazy. Oh, people in northwest Arkansas are freaking out. They've never seen this much snow or haven't seen this much snow in a long time, so can't blame this one on me. Sure as hell didn't bring this from Florida. But I am loaded. No complaints here. Look at all that snow, man. Look at it. Snowing. It's coming right out the camera. I hope that doesn't screw up my camera. Wow, somebody's actually driving in this silly piece of... Alright, well, I have snow all over me now. Now I'm going to have to take my sweatshirt off and my sweatpants and change my clothes again. Who cares? It's snowing! Woohoo! Groovy.